Now, whether you buy one of my handlebar conversion plates on eBay or you make your own, when you want to get rid of these stock handlebars, there's a couple of mods you have to make. First of all, you can't use this stock brake lever. It's integrated with the throttle and you have to scrap all that. I like the Motion Pro lever and perch assembly. This has the shorty lever on it. I picked this up on eBay for about $18, but you can use any universal perch and lever assembly. Now with the handlebar conversion, whether you use my adapter plate or you make your own, your stock brake cable will be too short. So I go with a Motion Pro cable. I'll put the part number down in the description. This is off a mid-80s Yamaha Tri-Moto. I also picked up a new Honda brake spring for under $3 on eBay. Let's start out by installing this brake perch and lever. I'm sure we'll have to make some adjustments once we get the throttle cable in and everything dialed in. Just have to adjust the fit a bit. Just gonna snug it up. Back off the adjuster all the way. Let's see if we can get this cable installed. Right. Okay, let's get that cable in there. So there's a couple parts I absolutely forgot to zinc plate. So I'll put these on for now, but then I'll have to do another batch of zinc plating. I've got a few other items, but I just want to get it on there now and see how it looks. Okay, almost forgot to put that spring in. Let's make sure this little notch goes to the back. Get that nut started. Now there's enough adjustment up on the lever where we might be able to grab another tooth down this way. But since I'll be taking it off again to re-zinc plate those two parts there, I'll mess with that later. And we finished the installation of our Motion Pro perch and brake lever assembly. We also have installed our new Motion Pro brake cable from a Yamaha Tri-Moto, which is longer than the factory Honda Cub brake cable. Pretty straightforward and easy installation. That didn't take very long. Thanks for watching.